To our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Otter AI for meeting summaries. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use like Otter AI for meeting summaries, all you can do is simply go and log in into your Otter account. So once you go and tap open your Otter AI, you can record the meeting live via the Otter app or website, or even upload a pre-recorded file. Now you need to connect your calendar to have your Otter automatically join and record scheduled meetings. Once the meeting is transcribed, Otter will automatically generate a summary, or you can manually generate one using the AI feature after processing is complete. So, by doing this, you can get a meeting minute in minutes via your Otter AI, as it does the summarization part. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.